American history students, here's what we got going on for this coming week. I want you to do this module right here. I know we've already talked about the Great Depression. However, the video that goes with Roosevelt's first fireside chat, I really want you to do that, and then you need to answer the questions that go here first. So what you're going to need to do is watch this video first. This gives an explanation as to what you need to do for this video and for this worksheet. The quizzes right here, don't worry about doing this, but this is for everyone. First period and fourth period. By Thursday, you need to have this worksheet done. You can't do this worksheet if you don't watch this video. This is not a real long video. I want to say it's 6 minutes at most. Okay, and then on Thursday, for Thursday, then I'm going to have this posted right here. It's going to be, we're going to talk about the Cold War. We're going to start talking about it. I'm going to make a video lecture, cover some of the points that I feel are more important. You're going to have this worksheet to do. You're going to have this video to watch, and then you're going to have this worksheet that you're going to need to do. I'll explain more as to when all of this is going to be done. But for this Thursday, okay, and this needs to be done, it needs to be submitted by 9 a.m. Thursday. 9 a.m. Thursday, I want this worksheet right here submitted. Again, you're going to watch this. This is going to give you an explanation. Then you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to answer these questions that go with this video. This right here is optional. It's up to you whether or not you want to do that. If you have any questions about any of this, please don't hesitate to email me. Again, this is for both first and fourth period. Fourth period, even though we don't Zoom until Thursday, that doesn't mean that you don't have to have this done. Both classes, all American history students, watch this, answer these questions. By Thursday, 9 a.m. is the deadline.